Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making the document design ready. First, set page size and margins so spacing behaves predictably. This avoids rework later. Then switch to print layout and show rulers and grid lines to guide placement. Next, establish a base style system. Define normal, heading 1 and body text with font, size, and color so consistency carries across the file. Once done, save a template. Make sure to name it clearly so you can reuse the exact settings without repeating these initial steps. Now you construct the core layout. Start by inserting section breaks and columns where different layouts are required. This isolates headers, footers, and margins. Then add shapes and text boxes for modular elements, use picture placeholders to reserve space, and add alt text for accessibility. Apply paragraph and character styles to each element so headings, captions, and body copy remain consistent. Once applied, update the style definitions rather than manual edits, because that single change propagates across the document. Finish your design by tidying global elements. Update the table of contents, ensure page numbers and section breaks are correct, and run a final spell and accessibility check. Export to PDF using the print setting for high quality, making sure fonts are embedded. If something breaks, like images moving or text reflowing, inspect each image's wrap and anchor, relink missing files, and set an appropriate wrap or fix position relative to page. One key tip: save incremental versions so you can roll back if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.